The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Will County in northeastern Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Grenville County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morris to Diamond to 7 miles northwest of Herscher, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Romeoville, Lockport, New Lenox, Mokinup, Frankfort, Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Manteno, Wilmington, Ingalls Park, Shorewood, Manhattan, Braidwood, Coal City, Diamond, Elwood, Rockdale, and Braceville, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 230 and 254. Interstate 57 between mile markers 323 and 324. Interstate 80 between mile markers 114 and 143. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 7. This includes University of St. Francis, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, and Kankakee River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.